When people think of reptiles, they often picture snakes or turtles, but iguanas deserve way more attention. These laid-back, prehistoric-looking creatures are some of the coolest animals you'll ever come across. With their spiky appearance, chill attitude, and surprising abilities, iguanas have fascinated animal lovers and nature enthusiasts for years. But there's a lot more to these lizards than meets the eye. First off, let's talk about their looks. Iguanas have a distinct appearance that makes them stand out in the reptile world. Their scaly bodies, long tails, and rows of spines running down their backs give them a bit of a dragon vibe. The dewlap, that flap of skin under their chin, isn't just for show. Iguanas use it to regulate body temperature and communicate with other iguanas through head bobs and displays. But their coolness isn't just about looks. Iguanas are surprisingly agile and fast when they need to be. They're excellent climbers and often hang out in trees, especially green iguanas. Their long, powerful tails help them balance while climbing and serve as a defense weapon if they feel threatened. And if you think they're only good on land, think again. Iguanas are also amazing swimmers. They use their tails to propel themselves through the water, escaping predators or just going for a dip. One of the most incredible things about iguanas is their ability to adapt. Different species of iguanas live in a variety of environments, from tropical rainforests to rocky coastlines. The famous marine iguana of the Galapagos Islands is the only lizard that swims in the ocean, diving for algae and holding its breath for several minutes. On the other hand, desert iguanas thrive in hot, arid conditions, showing just how tough and versatile these creatures are. Iguanas also have some pretty wild survival tricks. When threatened, they can detach part of their tail, which keeps moving to distract predators while the iguana makes its escape. And if that's not impressive enough, some iguanas can literally fall into a state of cold shock in chilly weather, appearing frozen and lifeless, only to spring back to life when they warm up again. Their diet is just as interesting as their behavior. Most iguanas are herbivores, feeding on leaves, fruits, and flowers. This plant-based diet helps maintain their health, but it also makes them important players in their ecosystems by spreading seeds. However, some species occasionally munch on insects or small animals when food is scarce. Despite their awesomeness, iguanas face challenges in the wild and captivity. Habitat loss, hunting, and the pet trade have put pressure on some iguana populations. While they're popular as exotic pets, they require specific care, like UVB lighting, a plant-based diet, and plenty of space to climb and explore. Many people underestimate their needs, leading to health problems for captive iguanas.